VALTREE Group present. First ever pre-insulated valves with a patented technology for HVAC industry. VALTREE has been a key player in HVAC industry with its presence in the domestic and overseas markets, expanding along with the globally growing valve markets, and with offices now in Middle East, Birmingham, UK and now in Virginia, USA, VALTREE is all set to widespread its presence worldwide. Also, with our channel partners in Dubai and Oman, VALTREE is all set to make its roadmaps into strongest regions for demand of valves. Our products include two major categories, that is, pre-insulated products and bare uninsulated products. VALTREE brings a solution to a burning and persistent problem in valves. Problems of condensation, problems of corrosion and various problems while installing a bare valve are noticed when conventionally, a valve is installed in a pipeline and manually insulated on site. Due to the uneven surfaces, the manual insulation tends to have lot of air gaps, which leads to accumulation of water by way of sweating. This leads insulation material to become brittle, due to which cracking takes place. Water drips from these areas, and if one removes the insulation material, we find such corrosion which not only damages the valves, but keeps spreading it to the flanges, bolts and further to the pipeline, damaging its lifespan, impacting on investments heavily to the investor. And to compare the conventional system to the present advanced technology of pre-insulation, let's say we start the conventional method of installing the valve and insulating them on site, at say 12 o'clock as shown in the watch. We firstly undertake the flange welding to the pipe. Then we check the alignment of the flanges for 90-degree position. Further, we place a bare valve in between the aligned flanges. We then undertake the work of bolting them manually one by one in each hole. Once valve is installed, we check for pressure hold test to check whether the valve holds or not. If any leakage is found, then the valve is to be either repaired or reinstalled or replaced. Once the valve is perfectly checked, then we go for manual insulation process, which is very tedious. It leaves lot of air gaps on the uneven surfaces. All these air gaps are inevitably entrapped in an overlap insulation, which is done layer by layer. Further, it is cladded with an aluminium cladding and it appears very neat, even though it is generally full of problems. Versus our technology of pre-insulated valves. Say we start the work of installing at same 12 o'clock, we see that only two side of welding is required, one on either sides. As the assembly is assembled, tested and supplied as ready to fix generally, and we see that the job is complete in approximately only 15 minutes, whereas it takes almost 4 hours for each conventional valve. We further notice that conventional system is full of problems, even after spending so much of time and money. In the new technology, we have a solution. That too with precision, in short span of time. With innovation as its USP, VALTREE today has rolled out revolutionary and innovative, first time in the world technology of pre-insulated valves and strainers with pre-insulated pipeline assembly. When we say a pre-insulated assembly, we mean assembly of a pre-insulated valve with two numbers of pre-insulated tail pieces on either sides, which consist of a flange, pipe length, rubber bushes and bolts, nuts and washers. The insulation is done on all the uneven surfaces with precision without leaving any air gaps, unlike conventional system. All one needs to do is just two sides of welding to the other ends of leftover bare ends of the pipes. Valves happen to be heart of pipeline, just as a real heart in a human body. thanks to the rich experience of Group and its promoters who are present in valve industry since decades, that the entire VALTREE Group believes only in quality innovation which satisfies entire spectrum from consultants to end users. VALTREE bags Technology Innovation Winner Award 2014 from Central Government of India to make it a very much appreciated and recognized technology of this time. VALTREE also receives 9th Vishwakarma Award 2015 from Construction Industry Development Council. VALTREE also receives 9th Brier Award of Excellence. VALTREE's industry participation includes Big 5 Dubai, ACRIX 2014, Delhi, ACRIX 2015, Bangalore, ACRIX 2016, Mumbai, India. Also, VALTREE team keeps its continuous presence felt in industry by way of seminars which includes VALTREE product launch at ISHRA Hyderabad, India, Deccan chapter, VALTREE product presentation seminar at ISHRA Bangalore, India chapter, VALTREE product presentation seminar at ISHRA Ranchi, India chapter, VALTREE product presentation seminar at ISHRA Vijayawada, India sub-chapter. Few successful installations of this technologically advanced valves includes Netmagex, Amazon Data Center at Mumbai, in the Oman Convention and Exhibition Center at Sultanate of Oman, Hexaware Technologies, Chennai, India, Apollo Hospitals at Hyderabad, India, Pondicherry College Project at Pondicherry, India, Forum Rangali Mall at Kolkata, India, Shiothi Mall Project at Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, India, and many more. VALTREE is proud to be part of Make in India movement. With amazing testimonials from users, it makes this technology highly dependable for the very advantage of VAC and other industries. Few of our valued clients are VALTREE prepares itself for the global markets now. VALTREE is now also ready to set up a world-class and international standard manufacturing plants to cater and be part of the international and domestic demand of 72 billion and above valve market. VALTREE is on lookout for global facility in UK and other regions as per techno-commercial feasibilities, which shall help to spread this revolutionary technology on a global scale, as the world markets shall explode with abundant demand for this technology which has begun. VALTREE Group, an ISO 9000 certified group in association with Krish VALTREE UK Limited, has plans to set a manufacturing base in the United Kingdom with this patented technology to cater to the international markets. We thank you for your patience, observation and listening. Warm thank you from VALTREE Group.